Okay, I'll just show you how to replace the battery in your remote key fob in a 2015 Audi A4 RS4, or just the ordinary Audi A4. First of all, you can see that there, the little pull the key out, turn it over, and just get that right. You see in there, put your thumb in there, and then you're just pressing that little springy plastic bit down there, and then pull open. It's quite hard at first because you have to overcome the waterproof seal here, and then take the battery out. The battery is a CR2032. Put it back in the other way. You see there's a plus there, so that tells you you're putting the flat bit back in there like so. That slide back in, and then the key back. So that's it, that's that one done.